Marketing teams are always eager to increase their stack, but when you have an in-home solution, it can be more work than expected before you start seeing results. At Cardscrew, we have developed an API for custom integration so that even if you do not have a full-time tech team, we guarantee that you can still do it. Our process is very straightforward, and our customers usually never take more than 2 days to set it up. To get started, send your carts and orders to the Cardscrew API so that we can help you track your abandoned carts. To integrate all your channels into your multi-channel retargeting strategy and set up your website, we provide a library of code in PHP to help ease the transition when writing your code. It only takes a few lines of code to share the data of your carts and orders to us. The next step is to copy a JavaScript tag on your website. This tag will help us track the user behavior on your website. That's all you have to do to get started. Our custom integration is very straightforward and has been designed for quick implementation, so do not hesitate to get started with Cardscrew today. If you run into any problems, we have a dedicated engineering team that will help walk you through the process. If you have any further questions, your team can refer to the Cardscrew documentation. Happy retargeting!